As Prime Minister Narendra Modi prepares to surpass Jawaharlal Nehru as India's longest continuously serving democratically elected Prime Minister on June 10, 2026, several indicators highlight how India's domestic and global profile has evolved across the two eras. India's global voice, 3 versus 19 foreign parliaments. Jawaharlal Nehru addressed 3 foreign parliaments during his lifetime. Narendra Modi has addressed 19 foreign parliaments between 2014 and 2026. This is the highest number for any Indian executive head. Nehru's era seeking recognition. Nehru's landmark address to US lawmakers came in 1949. India was a newly independent nation navigating Cold War politics. He stressed cooperation without dependence and India's commitment to self-reliance. Modi's era expanding global reach. PM Modi has addressed parliaments across South Asia, Europe, North America, Africa, Caribbean nations, West Asia, Indo-Pacific region. Countries include Bhutan, Nepal, Australia, Fiji, UK, US, Israel, Ghana, Namibia, Ethiopia, Guyana, and others. Special US Congress milestone. PM Modi addressed the US Congress in 2016 and again in 2023. Became the first Indian Prime Minister to address a joint session of the US Congress twice. Only the second world leader after Benjamin Netanyahu to receive the honor more than once. India's growth story. Nehru governed a country of around 34 crore people. PM Modi leads a nation of nearly 1.4 billion people. India has become the world's 5th largest economy. Education expansion. During Nehru's tenure, 5 IITs were established. Under PM Modi, the number of IITs has increased to 23 so far. Jan Bhagidari model. The Narendra Modi government has emphasized people's participation in governance. Large-scale digital, welfare, and public outreach initiatives have expanded citizen engagement. The big takeaway. Nehru's India focused on securing its place in the world. PM Modi's India projects itself as a major economic and diplomatic power. From 3 foreign parliament addresses to 19, from 5 IITs to 23, and from 34 crore people to 1.4 billion, the comparisons reflect India's transformation over 7 decades, especially under the charismatic leadership of Narendra Damodar Das Modi.